coming for you, nigga.
This episode is brought to you by FairDesk, a crypto derivatives trading platform founded by 6 former Binance execs and 3 former Morgan Stanley architects. FairDesk is a company focused on building a platform that enables traders to profit from both rising and falling markets. Sign up today and CB will credit you up to $600 in trading funds. For more information, visit fairdesk.com, link in the description below.
This my two Satoshis, this my two Satoshis. Who need 2 cents when they can get double from stacking Toshis? Yeah, this my two Satoshis, this my two Satoshis. Tune in and get the latest and greatest from stacking Toshis. This my two Satoshis, this my two Satoshis. Who need 2 cents when they can get double from stacking Toshis? Yeah, this my two Satoshis, this my two Satoshis. Tune in and get the latest and greatest from stacking Toshis. Yeah, that's where you need to get the real news at. Stop messing with them lames out there. CBTV. Let me out of here.
How? Fuck it. Do it live. I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks. We'll do it live.
We'll do it live. Here we go again, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. We're doing it live. Welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. Now, I did have a question or a comment from a newcomer to the show. My guy, Tommy Marine, says, second time? Yes, my friend, second time. You know, these shows are supposed to be differentiated. You should be able to see the difference between my live trading show and my Two Satoshi show, but God darn it, sometimes it just blurs together. I know. I'm sorry. But the My Two Satoshi show is all about the latest crypto news, guys. So we go over a few articles, typically 3. I give you my 2 Satoshis or my 2 cents on them. And we have a little fun, guys. That's it. And we smack a couple asses. You know what I'm saying? If you know what I mean, smack that thumbs up right now. Smack that like booty if you could. It would be greatly appreciated. Now, in today's episode, we're going to be looking at more than 3 articles. I mean, a few of them are kind of grouped up into one, talking about Solana. I know people are like, I saw Voice Crypto in the Telegram chat room say, hey, you on our side now? You on the Solana team now? Listen, I've clowned Solana for so many, months, I should say, because of the reliability. That has been my biggest concern with Solana, the reliability. You can't have a layer 1 and have trillions of dollars built on top of it, running on top of it, and you have a network-wide outage. It's just not acceptable, and that's what we've been seeing plague Solana for some time now, since its inception. Initially, the supporters were saying it's in beta mode. It's in beta mode. But brother and sister, it can't be in beta mode no more. No, you're in the major leagues now, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to go over some statistics, some stats that shows that we can't use beta mode any longer. That cannot be the excuse any longer, ladies and gents. It just cannot be the excuse. So we're going to have that conversation and look at some metrics that we're seeing on the search engines showing us this thing is heating up. Solana is definitely heating up. I, myself, have had to pivot and change my opinion on Solana, guys. I have. Didn't want to, but you got to know how to adapt with the changes, adapt with the times. And today's episode, we're going to talk about the times right now we're in crypto. Tommy says Solana is single-handedly keeping the meme coins alive. Hey, there you go, Tommy. And matter of fact, that's what we're going to be talking about, are the memes today. Not all of it pertaining to Solana, but the memes are on fire. And I see a lot of people over the last course of the couple last weeks or so, I can't do the memes. I can't do the memes. I understand that. You got to hold your nose and dip in. You got to hold your nose and dive right in, guys, because I believe the Solana coins, the meme coins on Solana and other platforms like Avalanche and other Zuby or Seaweed or whatever, I don't know how to say, all these meme coins I think this go around is going to allow you the opportunity to buy more Satoshis, stack more sats. That's what it's going to be able to do. So don't look at it as a long-term play. This is a strategic move, though dangerous, because you just don't know which of the cabal. There's a cabal in every industry. There's a cabal. There's a big group that's controlling the major memes or themes, I should say, of an industry, and there's a cabal in the crypto industry, and they are picking or even creating these meme tokens. So you don't know, unless you got an insider scoop, you don't really know which ones are going to blow. You don't. So it's a gamble unless you do a lot of research, which you can, I think, pick the right ones. You got to look at key metrics to figure out where the players are. They got to show their hands. So if you know how to look at the right metrics with these meme coins, it could potentially be of benefit to you. I can't tell you what those metrics are. Okay, not giving away the sauce now. Won't do that. If you're in the chat room, I try to drop some here and there for you. But you got to do your own due diligence. You got to do your own research, guys. But I think that you should really, really highly consider adding meme coins into your portfolio strategy, into your category of your overall crypto portfolio. It will benefit you in the long run if you get in there, make your moves, make your 50x's, 10x's, 100x's, even 1000x's in some scenarios, and move those profits into the coins and projects you really, really believe in. That's what you need to do. Actual projects over meme coins. I agree. But at the same time, you don't want to miss. This is like the ICO days again. This is the ICO days of crypto 2017. Here we go again. But before we get into that, in the meantime and in between time, smack that like booty, please. Smack it real hard. We greatly appreciate it. How many people we got in the building? We got about 50 people over on YouTube, 51 over on X. Man, I'm loving X. Yo, some people over on X, drop me some messages right now on the live stream. Definitely want to see your support, man. I love seeing you guys show up because I'm getting more traffic from X during live streams than I am over on YouTube. So this is what I'm talking about. So I appreciate everyone over on X. Keep doing the drugs. Keep doing X. Keep doing X. So let's take a look at this first article, which is actually not crypto related. This is Orange People News. Or if you want to kind of look at the glass half empty, commie news. This is your commie news for today. Trump unable to get $464 million appeal bond to stop collection. His attorney is saying it's basically impossible for him to get this bond. Like, come on. Round of applause to the the commies, for attempting in every way, shape, and form to stop Orange Man. And it ain't gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen this time. We'll see, but I don't think it's gonna happen this time. It's too obvious. I think it'll really cause civil unrest if Trump does not win this go around. I don't know. I don't know if you saw the polls. He's leading he's leading in every swing state in the country right now. And how could it get any better for Biden? In my opinion. How can it get any better? Oh, guys, hold on. I've got reports here. Let me put my Brian Gumble voice on. I've got reports here, guys, that we have footage of Trump, and it looks like this is a remote view to the future. November, around elections. Is that correct there, buddy? Okay, yeah. Let's go ahead and zoom into the remote view on what Trump just did to Biden in November of 2024, guys. Okay, here it is, guys. Okay, there we go. Let's run that back again. Oh, there he is. Oh. That's what Trump is going to do to Biden. I'm sorry, guys. I had to throw that in there. In other commie news, real quick, sneak this one in because this is just, it gets worse and worse, ladies and gentlemen, every day. Every day. Listen to this. Okay, you guys saying you don't have sound. Let me try this again. I'm gonna redo this here. Give me a second. Stop screen and reshare. Let's try this again real quick, guys. I gotta update you on this shit right here. Gotta update you on this. Let's see if I can get this up real quick. Let me see if I can get this up, man. They're trying to hold a brother down. Trying to stop us from sharing the good news, the good gospel, ladies and gentlemen. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. Letitia James. All right, so you guys are saying still no sound. Well, anyway, just letting you guys know that they're still actively looking for all of the firefighters in New York who booed Letitia James, or whatever her name is. So this is the communism country we live in now, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause for that. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. So yeah, instead of worrying about, I think firefighters are, it's not like okay, I give you a benefit of a doubt if we're talking about police officers, right? Somewhat, you don't want them to be or sway one way or the other or be political. You want them to be apolitical, right? Well, guess what? Firefighters, it doesn't matter what they think. Right? They don't have when they get a call in from 911, they don't have, okay, as the Republican house on fire here, you got to get over here quick. Like, come on, man. This shit is getting out of control. Anyway, let's get into the first article, which is about Bitcoin. And honestly, I should have actually talked about this on the trading show earlier, because this is big news. And I don't know if anyone's covering this yet, but you're going to get it here. Okay. This is crazy news right here. This just made my level of bullishness on Bitcoin go up 1,000%. Check this out. Anything for clicks. If you're in the building, you got to check this stat out here. I know you're not going to believe it, but listen, check this one out. This is going to rock your socks, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin ETFs hot start seems to be largely driven by institutional investors. No. Retail investors. Retail investors, ladies and gentlemen. And you want to know why? We got the data to support it. I'm going to go over that real quick. Let me see who we got in the building really quickly. Alfredo. Bro, why are you doing these so early? I'm working. Hey, sorry, bro. Sorry, man. Sorry, my boy. Sorry, Alfredo. I'm not trying to get milked, my boy. Shout out to Alfredo. It's 4:20, bro. It's 4:20. You're supposed to be getting high, not going to work. I don't condone getting high, by the way. I don't do any of those extracurricular activities, but maybe you do. Anyway, data shows this is big here, ladies and gents. This is really big. This is bigger than anything else I've heard in a long time. You know, we have the data about, X amount of Bitcoins being purchased a day. 75, just did the numbers for you on the last stream. 7,500 Bitcoins purchased every day last week. 72, I should say. 72, okay? That sounds good on paper, but when you dissect it and find out that the average purchase is $13,000, ladies and gentlemen, this is big. This is big. This is not, these aren't institutional players buying. Yes, the institutional players are like the conduit. They're the means by which these smaller investors are buying Bitcoin, but they're not actually the buyers here. This is crazy. Data shows, I'm gonna scroll down, the average trade size of BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin fund, according to one source, is 326 shares, or around $13,000, suggesting that those trades were made by non-professional investors. You better duck. You better duck. Yeah, I'm going to read that one more time, ladies and gentlemen. One more time. We got to throw that back. The average trade size of BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin fund, according to one source, is 326 shares, or around $13,000, suggesting that those trades were made by who? Mike Jones? No, non-professional investors. I got to get my Vince McMahon walk on that one, baby. I got to get my Vince McMahon walk on that one, ladies and gentlemen. That's good news. That's very, very good news. BitSource says, or are corporations smurfing? I don't think so, man. I don't think so. I don't think they would buy that low of a tranche. 13,000? No. Their suits might not even be worth $13,000. This, as Offneer said, is bullish as this just changed the game, guys. This literally just changed it, at least in my opinion, it changed my perspective of it. I was already bullish. But now, yeah, that article I read in previous live stream of $150,000 Bitcoin to $250,000. We might get to $250,000 this year, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just being honest. Could be mixing trades. I don't think so. See, it doesn't work like that on the institutional side. You can't, you're technically not supposed to, all the funds are supposed to be kind of like segregated when they come in. So for accounting and auditing reasons. So you can't mix trades in there. Okay. This is most likely, now this is from one source, but we'll get more information on this in the coming months, maybe weeks even. But guys, this right here is hella big news for us. That's way too much inflow in ETF just for reg investors. Something seems capped. So Press O'Neil is kind of on BitSource's side with this. I'm going to take it for face value. I know, shouldn't, but I can understand that. 13,000 average buy into the BitSource, not BitSource, sorry, your BitSource AML Solutions Consulting, into the Bitcoin fund. BlackRock, aren't they synonymous with not supposed to? Johnny B says, buy the dip. I would be buying the dip on this one. I'm just saying, I would be buying the dip on this one. It goes on to say this number wouldn't be so shocking if that money was coming from big institutions, but according to experts, it's not. It's coming from ordinary people deemed in the financial world as quote unquote retail investors. It goes on to say there's probably some advisors in there, but largely speaking, based on the size of the trades, it looks like retail is definitely a big factor, Bloomberg analyst says. According to his data, and this is coming from Bloomberg, so, you know, come on now, guys. It's got to be somewhat vetted, right? According to his data, the iShares Bitcoin Trust, or IBIT, issued by the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, is seeing an average of 250,000 trades in a day. The average trade size, only 326 shares, or around $13,000, as I suggested earlier. And this is BlackRock declined to comment, but a person familiar with the matter said that while BlackRock is seeing buyer interest from all types of customers, ranging from retail to institutions, most of the money flow seems driven by retail investors, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh-wee. I'm just telling you guys, I'm connecting the dots. I hope you are as well. From this information, we should only be getting started here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just being honest. We should only be getting started, and I'm going to continue to do my Vince McMahon walk around this joint. I'm just saying. Cocky and confident. Confident and cocky. Whichever way you want to go with it. Pause. So, that's good news, guys, in my opinion. Just wanted to connect those dots. That's my 2 Satoshis on it. And we're going to move on to the next article. And that is out of CoinDesk. Avalanche Foundation snaps up KIMBO, Cock, and 3 other tokens as first meme coin investment. Oh my God. You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. Listen. Off near, I'm sorry, brother. You're going to lose this one. Meme coins are the right coins. Meme coins, man. You got foundations now buying meme coins? Oh my God. I can't believe this. Now, somebody help me out, because KIMBO, when I think of KIMBO, I don't know about you guys. I used to watch street fighting. Like real street fighting, not street fighters. Street fighting. Is KIMBO like my man Kimbo Slice? Somebody help me out on that one. I'm thoroughly confused on that one. KIMBO, Cock, and 3 other tokens are the first meme coins they've invested in. Avalanche Foundation just reported. The foundation first said in December it would invest in meme coins as part of a digital culture drive. So of course they're going to buy the ones that are on their chain, right? Hence why you have, in my opinion, the Cock NU going crazy. Dog themed KIMBO. Okay, so it's not Kimbo Slice. You got Gecko Tech. So listen, No Chill is another one. So this is why you're seeing, yes, RIP Kimbo Slice. RIP Kimbo Slice. RIP. This is why we're seeing the coins rally on Avalanche, because Avalanche Foundation is buying them. So is it organic or is it artificially induced? That's the question you need to ask yourself. Now over on Solana, we know this is some organic stuff going on. There's some organic degenerate stuff going on Solana. Smallest unit of KIMBO called Slice. That's a good one there. Press O'Neil. Rip KIMBO for real, true OGs. No, you already know. Blockchain Report. Shout out to him. That's what she said. Oh. But guys, this is interesting. I thought I would bring this article up because to me, I don't know how to take this. I'm a little weary of now seeing this, that I didn't know. I don't know if this news was out there prior to this article, but yeah, this is probably artificially induced. The meme coin rally on Avalanche, in my opinion. I could be wrong, but it doesn't take a lot even on a Solana chain or an Ethereum chain, more so Solana and these other ones, it doesn't take a lot to move the markets and violate the charts to the upside, right? So very thinly traded market. So let me know what you think about this. All right, does this bring more confidence to you in regards to buying on Avalanche and diversifying your meme meme strategy across different blockchains? This worries me a little bit. Let me know. 1 for no, this is great. I'm bullish on this. I'm buying more meme coins on Avalanche. And 2, you agree with me. That's a little cautiousness on my end or on your end. Let me know what you feel about that or how you feel about that. Sasha says fucking wash trades. Yeah. I might be. I'm with you, Sasha. I think I'm going down that direction. Hey, blockchain. The blockchain report. I want to say, blockchain report, you won a couple of weeks ago, but you weren't here. Your name was pulled and you were not here, my friend, if I'm not mistaken. Somebody help me out who remembers all of the I think it was the one where we had like 11, I don't know, man, 10 spins, can't remember. But blockchain report, I appreciate this, my friend. Let's go ahead and put blockchain report on the wheel, ladies and gentlemen. Let me see. The blockchain report. All right, there we go. $15. Let's go. And speaking of, you may be wondering, what the hell is this? Well, guys, this is what I do every Friday. I give away $50 worth of, at minimum, $50 worth of crypto. If we get enough, momentum, enough people giving super chats or joining, I double it. We did double it last week. Shout out to the winners last week. Matter of fact, let's do a quick roll call on the winners last week. Last week we had Mark Belsky and Brokoshi No Dinero. They both got $50 each worth of Dogecoin. Now this week, my friend, you're getting $50 worth of Dog with Hat. Oh, Siggy. Now, that $50 can turn into $500,000. I mean, potentially, or zero. Potentially. You don't know. I might start giving away just strictly meme coins every week, $50 worth of meme coins every week, because, man, I could break the record for giving. I might give you something that you end up making $1 million. CB might give you $1 million. Good God Almighty. At any rate, yes, it's going down this Friday, so make sure you guys jump on that wheel. We got T Will in the building, who's given the most memberships ever on the channel. I think he's given over, I want to say, like, matter of fact, let me just really quick see. So last week, T Will gave 45 memberships. The week before that, he gave 10. So that's 55. The week before that, are you serious? So the week before that, he gave 45 that week. So that's 100. The week before that, okay. All right. This guy's giving 100 memberships, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. So a lot of you have to give credit to T Will, potentially. Some others have given memberships too, but he's given the most. You guys got to give him credit. For those who have won because of a membership gift, you gotta show T Will some love. Show T Will some love, please. Where 10 Pound, my brother? 10 Pound is probably crying under his bed right now because Richard Hart, aka Restoration Hardware, rug pulled him. I know my Hexagons are gonna hate that one. I'm just playing with you, man. Give me some Moo Moo. I gotta check that one out. Okay, maybe we will, man. Crypto Society was good. T Will in the building. I think almost 150. Shoot, maybe. On the job, we got Ryan James in the building. Jenny G in the house. What's going on, girl? And T Will following it up with another 5 memberships, man. This guy is on a roll, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go ahead and put him on here really quickly for 5 memberships this week. All right, before we get back into the swing of things and we talk about Solana. We got to talk about Solana, guys. We have to talk about Solana. T-Will, line man for hire, giving us another 5 memberships. And Blockchain Report gave us 5 as well. Shout out to both of them. Shout out to you guys for sure. We might be doubling up this whiff. I'm just saying, we're starting the week off strong, guys. We're starting the week off strong. Let's see. RH headed for 10 pounds. Yeah. We on C with hat now. Hey, it's funny, man. I got bird with hat. That's one of the Degens I'm in. I don't really typically talk about the fuckery I do on this channel. I really don't. Typically keep that to myself. I really do. But bird with hat is definitely one I am in right now, ladies and gents. We got cat with hat. I saw the cat with hat. I did see that one. But I'm in the bird with hat. And we'll just have to play. Hey, spread your risk. You got to spread your risk, ladies and gentlemen. Spread it around. You know. Show everybody some love, because it's just all a freaking gamble. This is why I don't really talk about it. It's all a gamble. All right, so who else we got in the building before we move on? Dog with hat? Yes, sir. I can't credit card with YouTube, but would one up if in crypto if you had it. Yeah, unfortunately, David, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. Don't worry about it, man. Ain't no one-ups. We all here to support and push the movement forward. So it's all good, bro. I thought about doing a blockchain or a coin as well, but it may be too hard to implement right now. And, there's no proof of it to the rest of the audience, right? So I can't, it has to be in a way where I can do it live so everyone can see who's on the wheel. No backdoor, someone sends money to an address in the middle of the night and pulls a Biden. Pulls a Biden. Trump up. We go to sleep. We're going to get another one with Trump. That's what I'm talking about. Wake up. Sleepy Joe wins. We can't have that here. Yeah, I agree, Tommy. Solana is going to be this cycle's meme king. I believe it. I believe it, man. We got Maurice Bradford in the building. I think he won and was not present a couple of weeks ago as well. So he's in the building. Hex good. I've been buying up E-Hex. You've been buying up. Wait. You've been buying up E-Hex? Oh boy, you in there, boy. Crypto Neck, you are in there for real. Yeah, all members, please join the Telegram room. Link is in the community post for members only. You'll see it on my YouTube channel. Go to the community tab. You'll see the link to join the Telegram room. Where your white boy at? Bomb some crazy shit. Yeah, man. Listen, there's no rhyme or reason. I can't even say I'm giving you any true guidance on what's going on here. Biden be lurking, malurking. Ask Mitch Ray and Randy Hipper if it's not too hard to do. I can't stand them either, bro. Don't listen. It ain't a Republican Democrat thing with me, my friend. It ain't a Crips and Bloods thing with me. It's not. They're just as corrupt. It's a Trump thing. It's an orange thing. Black cock in you. Yeah, I heard about it. Gonna hit some hard. Hit hard. Gotta look into that one, T-Will. My God, I might have to start a meme coin show. Strictly memes. I was doing it for a minute with Rodney over at what's his show name? guys. I forgot. My Crypto Journey. Shout out to Rodney. We were doing that for a minute. But yeah, I might have to do my own thing, man. This shit is getting out of control. It is really getting out of control. And you know, you can make money in irrationalism. You can make money during an irrational bubble. You can. You just gotta take profits along the way. Don't get too greedy. Don't think you're going for the 100x. And when you double, take out your money and let the rest be house money that you're playing with. That's the way to do it. You saw the message already, but please smack that like booty. That's right, Crypto Society. Tell them one more time, my friend. Smack the like booty right now, as if you were hitting Tracy Ellis Ross's. All right. Yes, sir. Got to get more watch. Yes, that's right, man. That's right. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. So look, let's continue this show on. I got some more Satoshis to spill to you. And it is really, this segment of it is all about Solana, baby. Yep, all about Solana. And you know, I'm not ashamed. No shame in my game. You know, I'm still gonna call Solana Windows 95, guys. I still have to. I still have to call Solana Windows 95. I'm sorry. So far, so good. No blue screen of death. All right. Cross our fingers. Knock on wood. Let's see if we can keep that going. But Windows 95 is performing very well. Okay. Solana activity flips Ethereum amid meme coin craze, even as transactions fail. Damn. Degens were piling into Solana-based meme coins such as Book of Meme and Snap as the network struggled to keep up with the surge of activity. Now, again, as I stated at the beginning, my theory on these coins that are just exploding, Book of Memes doing a $1 billion market cap in a couple of days, some epic crazy like that. Listen, don't think you can go and find the next gem and just sit in it and it's like by mistake. No, there are groups with big money that are either behind these coins or they're going out and just picking together. They're colluding together to pick a coin to pump, and then boom, it just goes. Do not think it's just by happenstance. No, not at all, my friend. I'm sorry. I thought you were street smart. I thought you guys were meme smart. All right, I really thought you were. These are collusions. This is a collusion going on here with these meme coins. So you got to look a little deeper. Look at the metrics. Right when the coin comes out, you got to look into some key metrics that should maybe help identify who's in it. Okay, and then maybe you can catch the early pump, the early wave of this potentially. But at any rate, you got the Solana network, aka you know what it is, Windows 95. All right, surpassing Ethereum over the weekend amid a scramble for Solana based meme coins. The total trading volume on March 16th soared past Ethereum, reaching $3.52 billion, which beats out the daily volume on Ethereum's network by more than $1.1 billion. Beat it by almost a third, ladies and gentlemen. God. CB going default on Solana. Yeah. Nah, I ain't gonna do that. You know, very small percentage of the portfolio. Is all this to divert attention from Solana's broken chain issues? Good question, Mr. Sakila. I think what's going on here is that the market is choosing. You know, Patrick Bet-David talks about the market choosing, right? The market is choosing Solana. Imperfect or not. I mean, Ethereum is imperfect. No chain at this point is perfect. And some people, I heard someone say this, I'd rather not have access to my $400 than not have my $400 because of Ethereum ate it up in gas fees. I said, yeah, you got a point there. At least when the chain does come back up, that blue screen of death gets rebooted, you can at least say, damn, I still got my money there. Thank God, hallelujah, praise Jesus. At least you can say that. To the contrary, with Ethereum, that money went to the pimp. I mean, the miners, the node providers on Ethereum. It went to them. Never to see again. Never to see again. I told you guys last week, I spent almost $300 in a couple of days just moving, and it was like 4 transactions that I needed to do on Ethereum network. This is unsustainable, and I don't care how much money you have. I'm not about to spend $400 or give $400 to the Ethereum pimps. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it much longer. I'm just not gonna do it. So the market is choosing. Is it a superior product? Clearly the market thinks so. Even with its downtime and its issues that it has, they're still picking Solana. So, at some point, we got to just roll with it so we can capitalize on it, and so we can stack more sats and buy the coins that we really want to buy. So it is what it is. I wanted to give you guys an update on that. Solana is crushing it against Ethereum. No surprise, of course. No surprise. In other Solana news, we also have Google searches surging amid meme coin mania. So here we go again. Everything's pointing towards Solana. Google's relative search interest data for Solana blockchain network has reached its peak. Solana on-chain volume has been soaring on the back of meme coin popularity, and we haven't even seen a dog with hat. We have not seen dog with hat on the Vegas sphere yet. So can you just imagine when that happens? David said, I lost $36 on failed transactions yesterday. Not even to mention the failed transactions. I didn't even mention those. So, of none of your fault that you lose $36 because of Ethereum's issues. Boy, this is going to stop. I mean, it's not has to stop. It is stopping, and it's evident in the data that we're looking at. Google search engine indice number up. We're seeing Ethereum being eclipsed by Solana on volume, trading volume. Like, it's all happening in front of our eyes. And to me, guys, this all puts into play that a potential move to, and by the way, this is all happening while we're getting a little hiccup in Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is stalling, or has been, kind of in a range. It dipped over the weekend, double tapped it, center mass. You got to double tap that trigger now. It double tapped that trend line, okay? But Solana, on the other hand, nearing all-time highs. Maybe about 30% away, 20% away from all-time highs. So the markets are speaking. And for me, all-time highs will be eclipsed very, very soon on the Solana blockchain. Didn't think I would say that, but it is what it is. Pure demand. It's just purely demand. Jupiter been another one. Yep. Solana phone is a no. I agree. Solana phone is a dud. I just put 10K more into Litecoin. Am I crazy? No, you'll still win. It's just that, in my opinion, you will, but it's about what will outperform that 10K being somewhere else. So no, I don't think you're crazy. I think LTC is still a coin to have, especially when Bitcoin touches like 100K. People will start to look at the second oldest and say, "Oh man, we need to buy a little bit more and get that Bitcoin to Litecoin ratio back to where it was historically." And I think that is, and don't forget, Litecoin is one of 4 coins that has been cleared by the Bitcoin clearinghouse, not Bitcoin, but crypto clearinghouse. Many people forgot about this, but the Bitcoin clearinghouse, I keep saying Bitcoin, the crypto clearinghouse for the for Wall Street, forgot the name of the company. Somebody help me out, but they only accept 4 coins: Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum. So can that change? Sure. But I think that Litecoin still has some room to go, or some room to catch up. Enso in the building. We got RPM 87 in the house. Thanks for tuning in. Commitment to love. We got a lot of YouTube premium members, probably thanks to Off Near and T-Wheel. Guys, killing it. I see Litecoin winding up in the top 10 in the long run. Okay. All right. Litecoin is ready for an ETF. Probably a basket will be included in a basket of ETFs. I can see that. Solana has big VC behind it. That's what worries me about it. Yeah, it's true. Got to follow the money, unfortunately. Got to follow the money. Litecoin is the right coin. Crypto Nana in the house. Shout out to her. Litecoin way undervalued. I agree. So don't count Litecoin out. Do not count Litecoin out. I pre-ordered the Solana phone. It was $400 to pre-order, and I've made almost back 300 just on meme airdrops. It's paying for itself. Yeah, it's paying for itself, but you're so what the issue is, that's not the actual ecosystem that's going to drive this, right? You bought it on speculation, most likely. Maybe I'm speaking for you, putting words in your mouth, but it's not going. It's a dud after this. Like, once everyone gets the phone, it's going to be like 2028. Okay, it's going to look like the brick phone by then. By the time everyone gets it, it's going to be obsolete. I just picked up that new Google Pixel Pro. Shout out to shout out to all my. See if I can get that. Yeah, buddy. Got that Pixel Pro, baby. Love Google Pixels. It's a good phone, guys. If you're into Android phones, get the Google one. Clearly, the one made by Android is made by Google. So quite naturally, the Google version is going to be the best. And the phone thought I was trying to say, hey, Google to him. Let's see. Has crypto lost its original focus, which is decentralization? Of course, Mark. That shit's over. That's over. Now you can still use crypto in a decentralized fashion, which is the silver lining. That's the beautiful thing. We can do a round of applause for that. That's the beautiful part of it. Okay. So you can still use it for its intended purposes, but majority of the people out there using it, not at all. It's all centralized. Last but not least, let's talk about Solana DeFi TVL soaring 80% in a month. Wow. So Solana's DeFi TVL has climbed over 80% in the last month. Demand for Solana persists despite the general market decline. And this is according to DeFi Llama. Look at that. Look at that chart. Let's see if we can blow that up. Look at that. Solana at number 4. Number of addresses. What is this sorted by? Let me go back and see what this is. Oh, you guys can't see that. I have to see what this is sorted. What is this? What are we looking at? So let me see here. At press time, the network's DeFi TVL was, let me see, 1.3 billion among the top 5. Oh yeah, so this is TVL. This is TVL. Zoom in a little bit for you guys so you can see it like that. So look at that, man. Arbitrum is up there. Look at Tron. Shout out to Tron, man. You guys sleep on Tron. I've been telling you guys sleep on Tron. I gave away Tron what was it? Maybe 4 weeks ago? Don't sleep on Tron. Don't sleep on Tron. So yeah, guys, I think all of these key points that I'm laying out today is just helping you connect the dots on Solana, aka Windows 95. It is going to be a shining star. It's going to be the MVP, I think. Most valuable coin, MVC. Round of applause. No, I really do think Solana at 250 is cheap. You'll probably see Solana by the end of this year. Whew, I hate to say this, maybe not because I got Solana. You can definitely see it near 1,000. You could definitely see it at 5 figures, or 3 zeros for sure, minimum. I'm just saying. So let's I hope for it. Windows doing a great job there, buddy. You're doing a great job. Enso said Jupiter has been crazy. 40 cents to 143. Meme tokens are moving and swaps are swapping. There you go, my friend. There you go. Exactly. Ew, you going with the Google as they leak your info and getting hacked? Nah, man. You can beef it up, you know. You can beef your Google up, your phone's up. I see it at least 500 bear case. Yeah, I'm with you. Holding and adding to our ARB always TVL high. Okay. Anyone lock up any Juke tokens on the launch pad? I didn't even get any. Remember playing Doom on Windows 3.1? Vaguely. I don't think I played on 3.1. I was playing Doom on Windows 95 though. 3.1 was really, man, I was a young buck at that point. Young buck at 3.1, bro. Yeah, I was a young buck. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Again, appreciate each and every one of you. We got a decent amount of people in the building, 110 people over on X. You guys keep popping those pills. And we got 67 people over on YouTube. Make sure you smack that thumbs up. And don't forget, this Friday, it's going down, ladies and gentlemen. $50 worth of dog with hat. And if we get enough members or super chats this week, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna double it up. Double it up. So stick around to see if that happens. You got to be here. Put a calendar invite, reminder, something. Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is when you got to be here. Duke Nukem on MS-DOS 95. I was playing Duke Nukem on 95 for sure. Shout out to all the old heads. You're dating yourself. When is a Launchpad 2? Make sure you get some. All right, I'm going to check out when. Definitely check out when. But, ladies and gents, I need that whiff prize. Hey, man, I hope you get it, bro. You've been a long-time supporter. I hope you get it, my friend. But meantime, in between time, ladies and gents, that's my 2 Satoshis. And until next time, I'm out of here, people. Ha!
This my 2 Satoshis. Who need 2 cents when they can get double from stacking Toshis? Yeah, this my 2 Satoshis. This my 2 Satoshis. Tune in and get the latest and greatest from stacking Toshis. This my 2 Satoshis. Who need 2 cents when they can get double from stacking Toshis? Yeah, this my 2 Satoshis. Tune in and get the latest and greatest from stacking Toshis.
Yeah, that's where you need to get the real news at. Stop messing with them lames out there. CBTV. Let me out of here. Pop.
Fuck it. Do it live. I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks. We'll do it live.
Okay.